comment on alternative investments, Islamic ETF. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, have taken the investment industry by storm with an annual average growth of more than 25% in the last 15 years. For those who may not know what an ETF is, it's basically a product hybrid of mutual fund and a stock. ETF is a fund structure comprised of various securities that represent a chosen benchmark index. It trades on the stock exchange like a stock. ETF is cost-efficient, transparent, easy to understand and trade. But not many realize that ETF has its parallel with Islamic finance or Islamic investing, the concept of fair sharing of profit between the ETF manager and investors. In a good market, both the ETF manager and investors get a fair share of earnings, but in a poor market, as the ETF doesn't charge any high sales or entry charges, the ETF manager's earnings will be in tandem with the investors. The Islamic ETF will be generally comprised of quality investments due to the nature of the Sharia screen, which potentially can provide stable returns over medium to long term. Islamic ETFs are benchmarked against Islamic indices whose components consist only of Sharia-compliant companies. For example, no gambling, no conventional banking, no brewery. Also applied quantitative screening such as the debt ratio and interest-income ratio. This naturally makes Islamic ETFs suitable for ethical investing. Let's see how ETF is currently being used by investors. So why use ETF? For retail investors, this is appealing due to its transparency, minimal cost, and straightforward no-hassle approach. For institutional investors, additional benefits such as ease of core portfolio constructions, asset allocation tools, arbitrage trading, or for some, construction for an investment-linked product which will save the fund's managers or issuers from incurring additional costs or resources. Due to its optimal portfolio components, it can also provide passive investing solutions as an alternative to the mainstream investing. Given the large-sized portfolios of institutional investors, liquidity issue is a priority, which ETF is a natural solution and able to address the issue more efficiently than that of mutual funds. Want to explore more on Islamic ETF?